How to fix the Error Softout4.v6. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix the Error Softout4.v6. Sometimes simply restarting can fix the issue. So the first method is restart your system. Click on Start, power icon, restart. See if your luck favors you and the issue is fixed. The next method is install Windows updates and driver updates. To do this, click on Start, select Settings, go to Windows Update. Here you will find Check for Updates button. Click on it. If the update is downloaded, click on Restart Now to complete the installation. To install driver updates, click on Advanced Options, then click on Optional Updates. This section has driver updates. If any driver update is available for you, you will see here install option. Using that, install the driver update and at last restart your computer. If the issue still persists, run a full system scan. Click on search, type full scan. Click on virus and threat protection from here. Select scan options. Here check full scan and click on scan now. This will take more time, so wait patiently. If any malware is detected on your computer, you will be notified through a pop-up here. Follow the recommendations to remove the threat and then check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still occurs, run system files checker. Click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes, type sfc space / scan now, SCANNOW. Here is double N. Pay attention to this. Then press enter. Wait until the process is completed 100%. Once done, go to the video description. You will find this command there. Copy the command from the video description, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Once completed, close the command prompt, close other running programs and restart your computer. If the error is still showing, then uninstall recent programs which you have installed. If you have installed a program recently and after that the issue started, then uninstall the program. To do this, right click on Start, select Installed Apps. Here find the program in the list which you have installed recently. Once found, click on 3 dots for the program and select Uninstall. Also click on Uninstall once more. If an installation wizard appears, follow the on-screen instructions and then restart your computer and check if the issue is fixed. If the issue is not fixed, then you can try system restore. For this, click on search, type restore, click on create a restore point, click on system restore. Here select the option choose a different restore point and click on next. Select the date and time when you have made a change and the issue started and then click on next. Review your selections and click on finish. Once started, system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? Yes. Wait until the system restore is completed. Issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.